just say, hey, it's, we just moved here. We really like the vibe.
Hi, I'm Brandy.
Hi, my name is John.
Hi, my name's Rob Cooley, and I'm a resident at Waters Park.
I'm gonna say, we just
Apartment's
moved.
really cute.
Yeah, we just moved into
It's-
Waters Park. Hi, I'm Shannon. I've been living here at Waters Park for about 9 months now.
I love Waters Park. I've been here almost a year now.
I've lived here for 4 years.
Love it here at Waters Park. I've been here for 2 years. It is awesome.
Yes, she's my neighbor, and I love it here. Been here almost a year.
And everybody here has been so nice and welcoming to
Everybody's
us.
sweet. Location's great.
Okay.
This is a fantastic place, Waters Park Apartments.
I love Waters Park. It's a nice place to live.
We love Waters Park.
There's lots of trees around the place.
I'm very happy here. The staff is very cordial, very friendly.
If you're thinking about being somewhere and you want to have a great staff and ones that will take care of you and go above and beyond the call of duty,
I really like it. The apartment management staff is great.
The dog parks, my dog loves. Very dog friendly community and great neighbors.
Actually noticed you.
Okay, stop talking about all that stuff. We don't have to
Service calls have always been well received.
The maintenance staff is wonderful. Everything gets done within 24 hours. And
Ready? Go.
Hi, we just moved to Waters Park. We really have enjoyed the helpful people here.
And I love that high vista view from my balcony.
love the dog park. Great community.
Everybody's great. Location's great.
That big old garden tub. Big guy like me. And
Our apartment is very cute,
Real
and everybody who has worked here has really been helpful and sweet.
You gotta come to Waters Park.
I would welcome anybody to come here.
Just love it.
I can't say enough good things about the place.
Yeah, we love Waters Park.
It is just a fabulous property.
just a fun place to be. Lots of cool people.
So we're happy to be here.
Perfect. Okay, thanks.
Do you want me to answer?
Yeah, shot.